action. Your courage is the daily refusal to accept impossibility as final. Chapter 2, Rewiring Perception. Impossible begins in the mind. When I reprogrammed my fear circuits, I did it with a simple question: what if this is the beginning, not the barrier? Your mind will give you reasons to stay small. That is its job. It protects you from unknown risk. But you are not here to be protected forever. You are here to expand, to prototype realities, to test limits. Start by labeling limits as temporary. Replace "I can't" with "I haven't yet." Replace "this is too big" with "this is not built yet." When innovators work in labs that smell of solder and sunlight, they learn to scaffold big goals into little floors. You do not climb the impossible in one leap. You design steps. You build platforms. Language matters. Voice matters. When you speak to yourself with strategic kindness, you conserve energy for action. When you respect your fatigue but refuse its decrees, you store momentum. Those who convert impossible into done are masters of small, consistent acts that accumulate into undeniable change.